Cajun fried shrimp. Ever want that spicy, crunchy, flavorful shrimp, but yet juicy and succulent? Here it is, guys. My delicious take on Cajun fried shrimp. Hey guys, it's Vlad. Welcome back. Now, here are the ingredients I'm using in my mix today. I'm also going to list everything in the description box below. So let's get started. First, we need to put our oil on the stove to start getting heated up. Then we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. Mix it well. Then we're going to add our egg to the milk and whisk this a little, just so everything is incorporated. And it's a simple step. Take our shrimp, get it into the flour mix. We're going to rub it into our egg wash with the milk, then back into the flour and corn mix. Then we're going to set this aside, and we're going to continue with the rest. Guys, as I'm mixing this, I just want to take a quick opportunity to tell you thank you for watching the videos, and please do consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and share and comment. Would love to hear your input on my videos. Now we're going to test the oil to make sure it's ready. We're going to fry these shrimp for about 2 minutes per side. Now this may vary. Sometimes you might get some smaller shrimp or some bigger shrimp, so adjust the time accordingly. When these are done, we're going to take them out and rest them on some paper, towel, or some greaseproof paper. Anything that will absorb the oil, the extra oil. We're going to fry the rest. Then we're going to go make our cocktail sauce. This is a simple mix. Ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, pepper sauce, thyme, and just some salt for taste. The pepper sauce, my pepper sauce has salt, so that's why I'm not adding a lot of salt to my mix. So you heard me with that Worcestershire sauce. Somebody please drop me a link or comment on the pronunciation of this. So let's mix it up. You can add as much of this or just a little. I'm putting probably about half an ounce. And this is my homemade pepper sauce. And if you like a link of this, I'm going to list it at the end of the video. You're going to add some of that dry thyme and just a pinch of salt. You're going to mix this up well and put it aside. You can do this the day before or a couple hours before and set it in the refrigerator. Works just as fine. And this can work on most seafood or any seafood. Lovely with fish. We're all set. Let me taste one. Crunchy, spicy. Whoever eats one shrimp? Not me. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button, share our recipe, and please do consider subscribing. On a quick note, this is birthday week, so I have 2 birthday shout outs. One is going to Anita. Happy birthday. And the other is going to Sabrina. And these birthday wishes are coming from your loving husband, Keith, and the kids. Happy birthday. Thanks again for watching, and here are a few more of our videos.